All right, now we're doing 6Q ASCII Sierpiński carpet. This is by Lugi Strugi, and 98% of people like it. We're going to use the character space and this thing to draw the nth iteration of the Sierpiński carpet. In the following, we were given the first 3 iterations. We're going to implement this function, which will return the Sierpiński carpet as a string for in iteration. So basically we're just going to look at this. So the first iteration will look like this, and then the second one will this with a solid, then a space in the middle, and then a solid, and then this is going to be a solid of these, then with a space in the middle of these. So it's just going to take this and make a solid thing of it, then make this, take a solid, make a solid thing of it, and then it'll do this, make a solid thing, and so on and so on and so on. And then a space in the middle, of course. All right, so let's get to it. All right. We're going to leave it in regular syntax because it's better this way. We're going to be using for loops and whatnot. So first things first, we're going to let array equal, and then we're going to have the string of this thing in it. And this is 2 of these white blocks. So we've got that to start with. And then we're going to do some for loop. We're going to say for let I equal 0 while I is less than n, I plus plus, for all these iterations we're going to do. So what we're going to do first is we're going to declare this solid bar thing, and we're going to say let solid equal, and we're just going to use the map function to repeat this 3 times. So we're going to say array.map, and then we're going to say element.repeat 3 times. All right, that's the solid one. Then we're going to go comma, and we're going to say space right here. And we're going to say array.map e arrow, and then we're going to say e plus, and then we're going to do we're going to do a space inside of a string dot repeat, and we're going to repeat it e amount of times. So we're going to say, we're going to do it e dot length, I should say. So like this dot length, and then this dot length is this. So we're going to say e dot length, and then we're going to say plus 1 more e. All right, and now we've got that going on. Oh yeah, and then we're going to change it into it. We're going to change this array to be like this. We're going to say array now equals solid space solid. All right, and we're going to have to use spread syntax on all of these since we don't want arrays within arrays. So solid space solid, just like that. And now it's going to be just like that. So it's going to be solid space, solid space solid, solid space solid, with this thing that's e dot length in the middle. All right, and now that we've got that going on, all we got to do is return array, but we have to what is it? We got to do the /n on every line. So we're going to say, except for the last one, like it says right here. So array.join /n, just like that. Let's test it out, see what happens. All right, it does it. Attempt it. All right, and submit it. Pardon me. All right, so it's pretty much like this one. They're doing an edge case that I wasn't aware of. Anyway, whatever. This one pretty much does it exactly like we did it. This one does it like we did it, except for concats and whatnot. Oh, and here's mine right here. Here's ours right here. So let's go over to mine. Best practice, in my opinion. Very much like this. And we'll see you next time.